Hey everybody, I'm going to demonstrate for you the problem that I had in my last video, the brake sensor, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So here's the problem. Squeeze the brake and that little sensor light was staying on after I squeezed the brake. So why is that a problem? It's because when the brake sensor is engaged, the hub is disengaged, so you can't use the throttle. And that means you can't ride your bike. So first we have to back out the little set screw. And that's a 2.5 millimeter hex. And you'll also need a regular adjustable wrench, some WD-40, Q-tips. So there's the little set screw. You have to back it out all the way, and that's just to make sure that you don't strip the main screw. So once you back out the set screw, then you can back this one out. And then inside there is a magnet and a spring, and then we're going to want to clean all of it and reassemble it and then adjust the way that it sits while we have the bike on and the brake squeezed. So there it is. And now I'm going to use the WD-40 and the Q-tip, get down in there and clean it. That's it. You can see there was some crud in there. And then we dry it with the other side. So reassembling it, the spring goes in first. Then your magnet and sensor. Then the main screw. There's a little notch on the magnet and sensor that you'll have to line up with the hole in order to get it all the way in. There, now it's all the way in, and then we can start to tighten this down, but don't go too tight because we want to adjust it to the brake sensor. So you can see right now on the display when I squeeze the brake, there's no indicator that the brakes are being deployed. So that means I have to push the cable in further. And when we push the cable in, it lights up. There, see? Push that in and it lights up. So we just want to set it so that it only lights up when we squeeze the brake lever. So now when we squeeze the lever, it stays on too long. So we have to back it out a little bit. And eventually you find the sweet spot. Goes on, comes off quickly. Now we put the set screw back in because we have it exactly where we want it. Tighten it. Don't go too tight on this, you don't want to strip it. That's it. Now we should be good. Perfect. That's it. That's how you do it. Pretty simple.